Season 2 Episode 10. Dark Chicken pulls the fire alarm / grounded. Note, this is the last episode of Season 2.
Okay class, it's time to do some math.
Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? I have an idea. I will pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Miss Margaret,
What is it, Dark Chicken?
can I use the bathroom?
Yes. But make it quick.
At the school hallway.
It's time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now it's time to get out of here before I get caught.
Oh no, there's a fire in this school. It's time to get out of here.
When they got outside.
Okay, let's take the attendance to make sure everyone is here.
When they took the attendance. Guys, there is no fire in this school, and Dark Chicken, come to my office now.
Oh no! I'm so screwed.
Dark Chicken, why did you just pull the fire alarm?
Because I pulled the fire alarm as a prank.
Oh, Dark Chicken, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're suspended for 4 days. Go home right now.
No 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 no.
When he got home.
Dark Chicken, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're grounded until your suspension is over. Go to your room right now. Wah!
Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. This is Godzilla Fan 7, signing off.